Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotics using Yakult. First, gather your ingredients. 1 bottle of original Yakult, about 500 milliliters of milk, and a clean glass jar. Ensure all your equipment is sterilized to prevent contamination. This easy method allows you to cultivate beneficial bacteria right in your kitchen, providing a fresh and active probiotic source. It's a fantastic way to support your gut health with minimal effort and expense. To begin, pour your 500 milliliters of milk into the sterilized glass jar. Next, carefully add the entire 65 milliliter bottle of original Yakult to the milk. Yakult contains active Lactobacillus paracasei strain Shirota, which will act as your starter culture. Gently stir the mixture with a clean spoon to ensure the Yakult is evenly distributed throughout the milk. This initial step is crucial for a successful fermentation process. Once mixed, cover your jar loosely with a lid or a breathable cloth secured with a rubber band. This allows air to circulate while keeping contaminants out. Place the jar in a warm spot, ideally between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius, away from direct sunlight. Allow the mixture to ferment for 12 to 24 hours. You'll notice it thickening and developing a slightly tangy aroma as the probiotics multiply. Check for a yogurt-like consistency. After fermentation, your homemade probiotic drink is ready. Stir it well and transfer it to the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 5 days, maintaining its probiotic potency. Enjoy 1/4 to 1/2 cup daily to support your gut microbiome and overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key for optimal benefits. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.